ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ अस्य श्रीबालकाण्डमहामन्त्रस्य ऋष्यशृङ्गऋषिः अनुष्टुप्छन्दः दाशरथिः परमात्मा देवता रामबीजं नमः शक्तिः रामायेति कीलकं श्रीरामप्रीत्यर्थे बालकाण्डपारायणे विनियोगः। ॐ ऋष्यशृङ्गऋषये नमः शिरसि, ॐ अनुष्टुप्छन्दसे नमः मुखे, ॐ दाशरथि परमात्मदेवतायै नमः हृदि, ॐ रामबीजाय नमः गुह्ये, ॐ नमः शक्तये नमः पादयोः, ॐ रामाय कीलकाय नमः सर्वाङ्गे, ॐ सुप्रसन्नाय अङ्गुष्ठाभ्यां नमः, ॐ शान्तमनसे तर्जनीभ्यां नमः, ॐ सत्यसन्धाय मध्यमाभ्यां नमः, ॐ जितेन्द्रियाय अनामिकाभ्यां नमः, ॐ धर्मज्ञाय नयसारज्ञाय कनिष्ठिकाभ्यां नमः, ॐ राज्ञे दाशरथये जयिने करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः। श्रीराममाश्रितजनामरभूरुहेशम् आनन्दशुद्धम् अखिलाम् अरविन्दताङ्घ्रिं सीताङ्गनासुमिलितं सततं सुमित्रा पुत्रान्वितं धृतधनुःशरमादिदेवम्। ॐ सुप्रसन्नः शान्तमनाः सत्यसन्धो जितेन्द्रियः धर्मज्ञो नयसारज्ञो राजा दाशरथिर्जयी। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम, श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम, श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्लोका 91। न पुत्रमरणं केचिद् द्रक्ष्यन्ति पुरुषाः क्वचित्, नार्यश्च विधवा नित्यं भविष्यन्ति पतिव्रताः। Meaning of the Shloka 91. Nowhere will any men witness the death of their son or daughter. Women will never be widows and will be ever devoted to their husband. Shloka 92. न चाग्निजं भयं किञ्चिन्नाप्सुमज्झन्ति जन्तवः, न वातजं भयं किञ्चिन्नापि ज्वरकृतं तथा. Meaning of Shloka 92. There will be no fear from fire, nor will living beings be drowned in water. There will be no fear from wind, nor any fear of fever. Shloka 93. न चापि क्षुद्भयं तत्र न तस्करभयं तथा, नगराणि च राष्ट्राणि धनधान्ययुतानि च. Meaning of the Shloka 93. Nor will there be fear of starvation in his kingdom, nor that of thieves. Nay, cities and states will be full of riches and food grains. We'll see Shlokas 94 to 96 together. The meanings are connected. Shloka 94. Nityam pramuditah sarve yatha kritayuge tata ashvamedashatairishtva tatha bahusuvarnakaihi. Shloka 95. Ghavam kotyayutham dhatva vidvadbhayo vidipurvakam asamkeyam dhanam dhatva brahmanebhyo mahayashaha. Shloka 96. Rajavamshanchata gunan स्थापयिष्यति राघवः चातुर्वर्ण्यं च लोकेऽस्मिन् स्वे स्वे धर्मे नियोक्ष्यति. We'll see the meaning of this shlokas 94 to 96. All will be ever extremely happy as in Satya Yuga, having propitiated the Lord through hundreds of horse sacrifices and other sacrifices involving the use of abundant gold. Nay, bestowed with due ceremony a billion cows on the learned and given away untold riches to the Brahmanas, the highly renowned Rama will establish royal dynasties 100 times more prosperous than before, by not only recognizing and confirming their sovereignty, but even by liberally subsidizing them. Nay, he will direct the people belonging to all the 4 grades of society to follow their respective duties on this terrestrial plane. Shloka 97. Dashavarshasahasrani Dashavarshashatani cha Ramo Rajyamupasitva Brahmalokam Prayasyati. The meaning of the Shloka 97. Having served his kingdom for 11,000 years, Sri Rama will ascend to Brahmaloka, the highest heaven. Shloka 98. Idam pavitram papagnam punyam vedaischa sammitam yah pated ramacharitam sarva papaih pramuchyate. Meaning of the Shloka 98. He who reads the sacred narrative of Sri Rama, which is capable of purifying the mind and wiping out sins, and is treated on a par with the Vedas, is completely absolved from all sins. Shloka 99. Etadakhyanam patan ramayanam naraha saputra pautraha saganaha pretya swarge mahiyate. The meaning of the Shloka 99. Reading this narrative centering round Sri Rama and conducive to longevity, a man shall on departing from this world be honoured in heaven along with his sons and grandsons as well as his followers and attendants. We'll see the final Shloka 100. Patandvijo vagrishabhatvamiyat Syat kshatriyo bhumipatitvamiyat Vanigjanah panyaphalattvamiyat Janascha shudropi mahatvamiyat. The meaning of the Shloka 100. Reading it, a Brahmana bids fair to attain eminence in eloquence. If he is a Kshatriya, he is sure to attain lordship over the earth. A man belonging to the mercantile community is sure to secure profit in trade, and a man belonging to the Shudra class can hope to attain superiority in his own class. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Pratamaha Sargaha. Thus ends Canto 1 in the Balakanda of the glorious Ramayana of Valmiki, the work of Rishi and the oldest epic. Iti Samkshepa Ramayanam Sampurnam. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Here follows the conclusion shloka each day after reciting the verses from Ramayana. Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Marghena Mahim Mahishaha Go Brahmanebhyah Shubhamastu Nityam Lokah Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Parjanyah Prithvi Sasyashalini Deshoyam Kshobarahito Brahmanah Santu Nirbhayaha Aputraha Putrinaha Santu Putrinaha Santu Pautrinah Adhanaha Sadanaha Santu Jivantu Sharadam Shatam Charitam Raghunathasya Shatakoti Pravistaram Ekaikamaksharam Proktham Mahapatakanashanam Shrunman Ramayanam Bhaktya Yahpadam Padameva Va Sayati Brahmanah Sthanam Brahmana Pujyate Sada Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitayah Pataye Namaha Yanmangalam Sahasrakshe Sarvadeva Namaskrute Vritranasho Samabhavat Tatte Bhavatu Mangalam Yanmangalam Suparnasya Vinata Kalpayat Pura Amritam Prarthayanasya Tatte Bhavatu Mangalam Mangalam Kosalendraya Mahaniya Gunatmane चक्रवर्तिर्तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम् अमृतोत्पादने दैत्यान् घनतो वज्रधरस्य यत् अदितिर्मङ्गलं प्रादात् तत्ते भवतु मङ्गलं त्रीन् विक्रमान् प्रक्रमतो विष्णोरमिततेजसः यदासीन्मङ्गलं राम तत्ते भवतु मङ्गलं ऋषयः सागराद्वीपा वेदालोका दिशश्च ते मङ्गलानि महाबाहो दिशन्तु तव सर्वदा कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतिस्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पये तत्। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम, श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम, श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम।